Yes, Loretta, I'm stuck at the airport. Yes, it's delayed. Can you hear me now? It's delayed. Yeah, delayed. Oh my God. Yeah, Tom Cruise and his wife aren't doing so good. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm delayed. Can you hear me now? Delayed. Yeah, I'm saying delayed. I'm waiting to call Robert. Oh wait, thank you. I'm waiting to call Robert. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I know. I can't get a good. Oh, I think this is Robert. Hold on. Hello? Oh, Robert, yes, this is a much better reception. Yes, can you hear me? I'm delayed. Delayed, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. I think this is better. Yeah. All right, Paul. All right, thank you. Oh, okay, thank you. Yeah, oh, much better reception this way. Yes, oh, it's terrific. Yeah, he called. He's going to pick me up. Oh, no big deal. No big deal. What? Oh, God. I think I'm going to have to call you back.